It's me at See Brother Gunson. Today, I'm in my friend's house and look what we just found in our neighborhood. An army truck near an abandoned house. This is no fake, ladies and gentlemen. Dang. Oh, look at these gigantic wheels. And this is my friend here. Alright, hold this. I gotta get up. Scoochy, scooch, scooch.
Oh my god, look at this.
Dude, it even has a fire tank. Look.
Oh dang.
And water bottle.
Look at this.
I'm gonna take this.
Oh my god.
Look at this.
Oh, what is this?
I think that's for.
Speaker.
Oh, I think that's for like missions. Like where the captain is telling, die. Look at this. Unlock, what is this? Unlock?
What are these?
Air brake.
Look,
You
look
record.
at these things.
You record this.
Look at these things. Oh my god, this is like so complicated.
Dude.
To drive just a
What
fucking army
what
truck.
is this? Look, you can even open this. I don't even know. Hi.
Okay, now let's explore the back. No, bro, you're gonna break it.
Dude, this is bulletproof windows.
No, it is not.
Yeah, it is. These are bulletproof windows.
Okay,
So I'm gonna show you another second try.
I'm gonna get up.
Yeah, no, you go record this.
Okay.
You get up.
Let's go explore behind the truck.
Record like some of this again.
Oh my god, look at this. Look at this beauty.
Beauty. This is like how long? This is like the old days.
Yeah, this truck has a lot of dust. I imagine
I'll
like.
take the lead. Alright, Manu.
Did you take I'll get up.
This is Emmanuel. So I'm gonna get out here because this is where I go. So another view of the first thing. You see, gigantic needles.
Look at this beauty.
So this is
Like cheers,
like this. This is where I got up. I put the ladder. I record a little bit inside when I get up.
Look at this, gentlemen. Like area like for like soldiers to sit in. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Army truck. Look how high it is. Just to the floor. Oh my god.
God.
Look at him trying to get up.
Alright, I don't know how to get on this one.
Go under.
Yeah, you're right.
Too tall.
Yeah. This is not easy, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, it is.
Can I get out?
Hi. Look at this. Oh, look at this bag. What does it have? Ropes. What the? Tools.
Don't record me, no. I'm telling you, don't. I'm up.
Be careful, you're gonna hit the ceiling.
Oh, damn, I forgot.
I'm just kidding. Let me go on top of it.
So, if you guys wondering why are you in owner's property, this is not no property. This is near an abandoned house. You see, it's abandoned. No one lives here.
Oh my god.
Someone lived. God, I think this was the owner of a military. Here, hold this. Take the lead. I gotta tie my shoes.
Let's go, soldier. You.
Dude, I dare you to get down there. I'm gonna try to
Look,
lift you up.
this is like an abandoned house that says, watch,
No trespass.
says no
Dude,
trespassing.
imagine painting.
And
this
we
back.
just trespassed, so what?
Broke the law. I want to get going inside the house.
Hmm?
Want to go in the abandoned house?
Okay then.
Oh no, I gotta tell.
It looks like it's getting fixed. Let's go.
Hold on, I gotta tell my shoes on. I'm gonna go the way that you did.
No, bro, you're gonna fall. There's a pointy thing. No, I'm gonna go on my chancleta. And how are you gonna get down?
Where?
I didn't get down from
This
there. Oh, there's a freaking door here. Look, no, here, take the lead.
You take the
Oh, no, it's not a door. How are we gonna get down?
This is for like machine guns. Right over here. Take the lead. I'll go down first.
No, but
I'm gonna go the ladder.
Yeah, I'll go this way. Ah, it's scary.
Dang, I'm afraid.
Wait.
If only to check this down. Alright, hold on. I'm thinking.
Why are you freaking afraid? Look, here.
Look.
Here, just get this. Look, if I was you, look, get this. If I was you, I would get down like this. No, this is a zone for no wimps. Get down like this. Then go to the ladder. Do this. Get down from here. And boom, you can get down.
Alright. Go down.
Oh, just go from here. Here.
No. Go down first. I'm afraid. Alright, can you reach? Or not drop my phone.
Bro, it has a protector.
You still.
My dog doesn't work there. You can't see them.
So all you said, go down like.
No, go down from here, bro.
You told me I should just go down from
Okay,
the tower.
do it then.
I've never done this before. Damn. Hold up, guys. I just got a time.
He's a wimp.
Hey, I heard that. Ladies and gentlemen, I might be a wimp, but I'm not. That.
Oh, tornado! I'm just kidding. Go.
I'm just gonna do the way you did it. I'm just gonna go down.
My God, he's a wimp.
Stop recording. Go that way. I don't want you to record this. No, not just go. Not go all the way. Record this fine. What I said.
Get some curious.
Damn, you suck.
Why are you so scared?
Alright, dude, stop, please.
If you even, I'll get the ladder for you. Just go. Don't be scared.
Wait.
He's a wimp.
Heard that. Let me just.
Oh my God, it's not that high. This is how high it is. It's not that high. Let's go.
Hold up.
Okay, I'll get up and I'll show you how to get down.
No. It's because I need to pull my pants up because I don't want to be the same.
10 billion hours later.
You stop. I keep hearing. This.
You little wimp.
I keep messing this up. That's one thing.
Just go.
I can't.
Just get down. Go more low. You can't give up. You can't give up.
Like, no, I